Welcome to another Form Titan video. In this video, we'll talk about how to update data in Salesforce using DocuSign. So what I'll do is I'll switch back to my form here, or my document here at the moment. What I've done is, this is my contract here, contract number 122, and we're going to go ahead and update some data within this form. So what I'll do is I'll get rid of some stuff in here, like billing city. We'll get rid of United States, make this to none, get rid of billing city as well, and tell you what we'll also do, we'll get rid of the contact name. Okay, that's gone, and then we'll go ahead and save this as it is. And then what we'll do is we'll update this contract using our DocSign. So this is the contract ID, and we'll populate that within the contract itself. First thing first, we'll go in here, make sure all our fields are set up correctly. So contract terms, I've given it a tag, contract term. This is going to be a date, contact name, billing street, billing city, postcode, state, country, and signature. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Documents, Settings, Push to Salesforce must be checked, click Configure, and then you need to select Update. Okay. And then you're going to select your contract, which is the object we're updating. And then here is where it gets really handy. So in the condition, you'll just add condition. You'll say if contract ID, this is for me, but it can be anything for you. Contract ID equals value. And this time I'm going to add a static value like this. And then I'm just going to go back in here and take this record ID and paste it in here like this. And you can really expand on these conditions if you wish by adding another condition, and then you can choose your post condition like and or. For me, that's not required at the moment. All I need is just one contract ID static value. Then I'm going to go ahead and map. So I know my account ID is going to be this, which is good. Then I just need to map a couple of things in here, like the city, state, postcode, country. I'm already mapped. Then what I'm going to do is make sure that my contract term is mapped. What else is mapped? What needs to be mapped in here? So contact name needs to be mapped, and that's about it. And then I'll just click apply, and that's what we're going to use to update. One more thing before I go back, let me just check. Yep, these fields are good. One more thing I need to do is billing street. So we'll add that in here as well. Billing street, billing city, state, country, contact name. And then final one is the contract term. Then if you have a look at attach signed document, we need to specify where we're attaching it. So I'm going to say the static value of the title is contract. And then we said the published location ID, we're only publishing in parent ID, which is a contract parent ID. And our version data is going to be this version data of contract. So that's it. That's all we have to do. Click apply, click save. Let's go ahead and publish. We'll wait for this to load, and then we'll go ahead and add some details in here. So we'll say the contract term is going to be 24 months. Contact name is going to be Joe Blogs. Billing street is going to be Alabama City. Street, I mean. And we'll call this Alabama City. Then postcode can be AL2345. And then country can be United States. And then if I go ahead and sign it, I can just choose an existing signature that I have available. Notice that there's nothing in here at the moment in terms of the address and the contact name, and this is now all going to get updated based on my update here. So I'll just go ahead and finish sign. Document has been signed. It's been pushed back into Salesforce. Let's go and check our integration log. So let's close this. Optimization, pages, And let me just come out of this. Okay, let's go and check what's happened here. So if I just refresh this, hopefully it should now have updated with data. Just like that, there you go. So you can see that it's pushed Alabama City, Alabama, United States, and there is my contract attached as well. So we'll just wait for this preview to come through. We won't wait because it takes ages, but we'll just download it and I'll show you how it's done. Just like that. Joe Blogs, Alabama Street. And that's how it's done. That's how you use an update to update an existing contract within Salesforce.